Can you get into DoorDash when the DoorDash is telling you that they don't need more drivers? Today we will talk about how to fix, or if you can fix, DoorDash is not accepting new drivers. Well, as we know, the DoorDash is actually very saturated, platform, which means it had more than enough drivers there to do the work for them. And now they do not actually need more drivers to work for them. So if you have applied for it and they might have put you on the waiting list, so you just have to keep on waiting until some of them or few of them, just leave DoorDash and you get your chance. So this is the only way that you can do it. However, if it takes more than a year or if it is taking too long, then you might consider, contacting the DoorDash customer service. So for that, just go to Google, search for DoorDash, and then simply customer support. And there you go. This is their phone number. Just call them and talk to them that I've applied it. It's been 6 or 8 months. If there is, still a lot of people in the queue, or just talk to them, try to talk them out. They might be able to, get you into the business. So this is how things work. So you just have to, try that. And there is a possibility that you won't get it just because there are enough customers in the queue, and there are a lot of people wants to, work before you have applied. So it's their turn to, work rather than yours. So this is what you guys can do. Hope you guys find this video helpful.